Hi everyone. So now we have Blaupunkt Freiburg SQR 39. It's from 1980s. We kept all original and we did manage to install the Bluetooth in it. So at first I'm gonna test the radio, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Works fine. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Camera don't focus very well, but all lights are okay. You will see in the pictures. Bulbs been changed. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, you have to go from FM mode to middle waves, which is this button. It's very simple. Simply press it once. Now you are on the Bluetooth mode. Let's go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, wait few seconds, and here it is. Now the Bluetooth is connected. You can go to YouTube or whatever and play any music you want. It's very simple to use. The screen has one small imperfection, as you see. It's the better see in the dark, but nothing major. And when you want to back to your regular radio, simply press this button. It's FM mode, and you back again. Cool, right? Thumbs up.